Okay, so in the previous video I showed you guys how to calculate velocity. In this video we're going to use that velocity to predict the time. So what you should have written down somewhere, you should have a table written down with your location. Oh man, that's bad handwriting. With this stylus, guys, this is terrible and falling apart. I need a new one bad. Jeez, I should almost use my finger.
That's the old one.
Yeah, I don't know what the new one is. So we should have something like location and distance. So what we're going to do is we're trying to find time. Now remember that time equals distance divided by velocity. Now in the last video you calculated velocity, so you should know your velocity. It's not going to be the same as mine, but you should know it. So let's just say, so in my last video it was 0.83. Okay, so now we're just taking each distance. So let's say that your first, the first location that you're going to, I don't know, is KC Mo, and the distance away from the current location of the tornado is, who knows, 50 kilometers. Okay, well, if I know that that's 50 kilometers, okay, that's going to go in place of my distance, so that's going to be 50. My velocity is this right here, so that's going to go in place of the v, so that's 0.83, and then you're just going to divide. All right, so I'm going to use my calculator again. Oh, where'd it go? There it is. All right, so now I'm going to do 50 divided by 0.83. I know you guys can't see that, sorry. And now I get like 60.24, right? I get 60.24. Now that's minutes. All right, so whatever my previous time was, so let's say that let's say that I started my tornado off at 5 o'clock. Well, now I know that it's going to hit KC Mo 60 minutes from 5 o'clock, so I add that on, and I'm going to get 6 o'clock, and that's going to be KC Mo. Okay, depending on the distance, you're going to calculate it differently. So for each one, you're going to use distance, and then you're going to use that velocity that you originally calculated, and you're going to come up with the time for each individual location in the path of your tornado. If you have questions, please ask. All right, thanks guys.